Another thing that sets the pivot apart from any competitor is the balance of the deck when it's on the floor. Now, this may not sound like a big thing, but in terms of what creates the ability to maneuver the unit easily, creates a good feel for the operator, this is incredibly important. Take a look at this picture. This is the unit balanced on 4 separate scales. You'll notice that on each scale, it's basically 30 pounds evenly balanced on the scales. Now, this picture shows a pad that we ran on our machine once we balanced out the deck. We actually ran this pad for 1,200 hours. Now, in real life, you'd never want to do that, but take notice of how evenly this pad is worn. Now, take a look at a pad that was run on a competitor's machine for 30 hours. It's not that we're calling out our competitors, because before we balanced our deck, we used to get pads that did this too. It would chew up the back of the pad. But part of the benefit of having a pivot where you have a perfectly balanced head is it not only extends the life of your pads, but it makes the unit much more maneuverable and gives the operator a better feel when they're operating the unit.